Notice how the market also filled any kind of fair value gap over here, and you are simply looking to target the second 15-minute fair value gap, which is all the way down here, right? So that's how you're going to frame the trade, right? So what we saw is a couple of things before I played price on. We saw one, then we saw two. So what we saw over here is we saw limit orders, right? Sell limit orders, right? I'm just going to write, let me put that the other way. We saw sell limit orders, not stop loss. We saw sell limit orders, and it's the sell limit orders that drive price down. And so another reason why price moves down, just from a basic liquidity concept, is that we had this trend line liquidity forming, and we also had price leaving a fair value gap over here. And so that is the reason the markets move down, right? So eventually we see price hitting our target somewhere around here. So we see price eventually giving us a 1 to 3 risk to reward. And so I want traders to go away, and I want them to kind of understand that you can enter here, you can enter here. There was even a second entry probably around here because you saw the same thing. In fact, we'll break that down quickly as well. So if you just take a look at this second entry over here, let's get out the ATAS platform and let's move it over to the right, and let's kind of understand what was going on here as well. So what was happening here is you saw this bounce off. So what was going on here, the same thing happened over here, where if we kind of dive in, we saw these kind of candles pushing up before another breakdown. So when you look at these candles, even though you don't see much volume inside of them, aggressive buyers, there were more aggressive buyers, and you see that buyer 10 for 42, 20 for 50, and then you also see a lot of low volume over here before price breaking down. So when you see aggressive buyers hitting the ask and you fail to see price breaking higher but they break lower, it shows you passive limit orders are present, passive sellers are present, and this is how selling is done on order flow, on crypto. It can be applied to forex, it can be applied to futures, it can be applied to anything where you click the buy or the sell button.